Hawker Hurricane, or Yak fighters, depending on the area. The Soviets had learned in 1943 about the skip bombing technique, in which an aircraft attacks a ship by skipping the bomb across the water like a stone, perfected by the Americans in the South Pacific. The Russians referred to it as mast height bombing instead of skip bombing, but the technique was the same. When it came to aerial sea mining, the technique used by the Soviets was to have individual A-20s carrying mines fly out at night using dead reckoning or radio beacon homing to drop mines outside of harbors or fjords in shipping channels. Each Red Banner fleet was assigned MTAP units, including the Black Sea Fleet, VVSVMF-CHF, Northern Fleet, VVSVMF-SF, Baltic Fleet, VVSVMF-KBF, and Pacific Fleet, VVSVMF-2F. The combat activities of the A-20 MTAP units were as unique as the different theaters they operated in. In support of the Red Banner Black Sea Fleet, VMF-CHF, A-20 aircraft gradually replaced IL-4 aircraft in various units starting in the spring of 1943. By this time, the Wehrmacht and Luftwaffe had pushed the Soviets and Black Sea Fleet back to ports in the Caucasus on the Black Sea. The Black Sea Fleet surface units were mostly bottled up in Caucasus ports, and the main fight by the Black Sea Fleet against Axis naval forces and convoys was done by submarines and torpedo boats, with spotty success, as additional IL-2, PE-2, and A-20 aircraft became available. Ever-increasing air attacks took place against Axis shipping and naval bases. The attacks by VVSVMF-CHF aircraft against Axis shipping caused the German and Romanian naval commanders to conduct more operations at night or with air escort. This resulted in the Soviet naval air units, including the A-20, equipped 36 MTAP, 13 GMTAP, and 5 GMTAP, redoubling their attacks on the naval bases and ports of Kerch, Feodosia, Ivan Baba, and Sevastopol in the Crimea. These units also participated in nocturnal aerial mining operations outside these ports. As the Soviet armies pushed the Germans westward, they were able to bottle up over 170,000 Axis troops in the Crimea, and as the Germans retreated, the Black Sea Fleet got closer and closer to the Crimean ports and could launch larger and more destructive bombing raids. The Germans had a difficult time deterring these attacks, as many Luftwaffe units had been withdrawn to Germany to defend against Allied heavy bombing raids. Romanian Navy units supported by Kriegsmarine E-boat and R-boat flotillas started to withdraw German and Romanian ground forces from pockets of resistance on the Crimean coast in April 1944. The Soviets stepped up the submarine and